Quite often you might find that you have been sent a sheet metal file to open in Solid Edge, and all you want to do is convert it to a sheet metal file. So if we went to Tools, there is an option here to use the thin part to sheet metal, and basically you just need to specify which one case you want to do, and you'll see this error message come up. The input model contains multiple material thicknesses. Make all flanges and tabs the same thickness before transforming. So if we cancel out of this, at first glance this looks okay. One of the things that you may want to look at is the difference between the bend inside and the bend outside, one of the common problems. Another one may be where you've got a angle on a bend, can cause problems, but in this example you'll see that we have chamfers on the edge, which means that the thickness here is not consistent. So we can overcome that by going into the recognize chamfers. You'll see it's here, it's picked up the chamfer on either side, so we can go OK, and that drops them into the feature tree. Still hasn't given us a option to fix this up, but what we can do is if we select both of these, right mouse click and go detach, that removes them from the model. They are still there as a sort of a surface feature, and we can now go back to our tools, and if we try and do a thin part to sheet metal, we pick our face that we want to have as the main one, and you'll see that it converts into a tab based on the face that I selected, and then have two flanges coming back off there. And once we've done that, we can then reselect both of these chamfers, and we can then reattach those onto the model, and we now are in a situation where we have a model that we can sort of now modify if we need to. So hopefully this gives you some insight into how best to deal with imported sheet metal files, where other systems don't always adhere to sort of good practices.